Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to convert a gel pen into an ink pen. So let's get started. Take an empty refill. Now open it and clean the extra gel which is present inside, as I am showing here. After cleaning, put it back on. Now fill it with ink. Here I am using a syringe. Now just shake it as shown. This is to get the ink at the bottom of the refill. Fill it up to 3/4 of the refill. Take an air pump and apply pressure. Only apply a small pressure and start writing with it. Once it starts writing, remove the pressure. Here I am using a syringe filled with hair gel as a substitute for the gel which was present inside the refill. Hair gel works as a good substitute. Also, this is used to prevent ink from leaking in case of accidental fall. As you can see, it works great. There are some problems that can be faced while using such a pen. First, this pen should not be kept in vertical position. It should only be kept in horizontal or lying down. If it is kept in vertical position for a few hours or days, the ink will drain out of the refill and would cause a mess, as I am showing here. The second problem is, if the diameter of the refill of your pen is large, it would create faster ink flow. So you should write very quickly with such a pen, else ink will spread and it would be visible on the other side. The third problem is, such pen should be used very frequently to drain out the ink. Else if it is forgotten, it might leak. Also, a cap is a must. The best solution is to use a ballpoint pen which has a low flow rate, small diameter, which leads to the possibility of low leak. The perfect place to use such a pen is for rough work. It is extremely cheap, as here I am using an expensive ink and still it only cost around 2 rupees. So if you are using a cheaper ink, it would cost you even less. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, do like and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.